Eggplant lasagna can be made in a variety of ways. I like to make mine with some pasta in it. Adding ready-to-bake pasta bulks up the dish and makes it filling. Besides the eggplant, I like to use zucchini in this dish. When I cut up round vegetables, like the eggplant and the zucchini, I like to take a small shaving off the skin on both sides before I slice. Doing this removes the excess skin from the outside piece. My goal here is to slice everything the long way, thinly, about a 1/4 inch thick. Cutting the zucchini and the eggplant the long way reduces the amount of slices, making it easier to handle. Ingredients used for this dish are 3 eggplants, garlic, 4 small zucchini, olive oil, salt and pepper, and oregano, mushrooms, tomato sauce of your choice, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese. Once we have everything cut up, we're going to line it on some baking sheets and roast them in the oven. Once I have my eggplant and zucchini laid out, I will coat with olive oil, salt and pepper. And as always, we season in layers. For the amount of vegetables I have, I will need to do 4 batches. 2 sheet pans at a time. I have the oven preheated to 425 degrees to roast my vegetables. For the garlic, I like to cut off the roots of a whole head and roast it in the oven. Once the garlic roasts, it will be easy to peel off the skin. 20 minutes in a hot oven will get these vegetables nice and roasted. I leave the garlic in the oven for 40 minutes total. If the eggplant sticks, use a spatula to scrape it off. Once the first batch is done, I will transfer to a plate. Using a large baking sheet is ideal, as you can fit lots of eggplant and zucchinis. Once all of the batches have gone through the oven, we can let everything cool and we can start with the garlic. Now that the garlic is roasted, it's very easy to peel the skin off. In the same pan that I'm going to use to assemble the lasagna, I'm going to crush the garlic with a fork. Combine the garlic into the ricotta mixture and mix. Now we are ready to assemble. I always start with some sauce on the bottom. For the first layer, I add the eggplant. Top with the ricotta and garlic mixture. I don't see the need to get it perfect. Now I'm adding more sauce before I add the noodles. The idea here is to get some extra moisture to the noodles. We continue with the layering process: sauce, cheese, and vegetables. If you have picky eaters, you can divide the dish in half. In my case, I'm adding mushrooms to one half of the dish. I continue with the layers. I made sure to save 2 cups of mozzarella to put on top. I season with salt, pepper, and oregano. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for 30 minutes at 350. After 30 minutes, uncover and let the cheese get nice and brown. Let it rest and enjoy. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button.